Hello and welcome to this small video review of the Bmorn V16 that I just received. The Bmorn V16 is a 7-inch Android tablet that's made in Shenzhen, China by the company Bmorn. Inside the box we have the tablet, on which we will come back later. We got a micro USB to OTG cable, just some standard earphones, a USB to micro USB cable to charge the tablet and to load files to it, and some kind of little bag which inside there are a user manual that's actually in English and in Chinese on the other side. Let's see what's in there. It looks like quite a big book for an Android tablet. It's very nice to have an English manual with it, although Android is quite user friendly. We got seems like a contact card or sales place with a little cleaning cloth of Bmorn, and what looks like the warranty card. So let's take a look at the tablet itself. Have it here. On the back of the tablet we got a little plastic cover, the speaker, just the casing of metal, and some quality control stickers and sticker that says 8 gig. The tablet is also available in 16 gig if I'm not mistaken. On this side of the tablet we got the TF card reader, micro USB, a microphone, and a 3.5mm jack. On the bottom of the tablet we got nothing, only a little warranty sticker. On the left side of the tablet there is nothing either. On the top of the tablet there is, I don't know if you can see it, a little camera hole, and that's all there is to say about the tablet. It feels very solid due to the aluminium back or metal back, I'm not sure. It feels very solid. Yeah, let's continue to the weight and measurement of the tablet. As you can see, I put the tablet onto a kitchen scale, which reads at 315 grams. So yeah, I think it's doable for a 7-inch tablet. It feels quite heavy, as said before, but I think that, yeah, that's the metal. That's the price you pay for the metal. The tablets get a bit heavier. As you can see, the tablet meets around 9.7, 9.8 millimeters, so it's within 1 centimeter of thickness. It's very sleek for a China tablet. And we're back with the review of the tablet. Now let's take a look at the software. While it's booting, I will tell you a little bit more about this tablet. It's a 7-inch tablet with running on a 1 GHz Alwinner box chip processor, the A13. This processor is just new. It's the budget version of the A10, which uses less power and gets less hot, as that's what all allwinner A10 chips have. While in use they tend to be quite hot after a while at movies or gaming. This tablet I tested for about 3/4 of an hour and it wouldn't get hot, just a little bit warm, but nothing like the A10 processor. The A10 is less in Bluetooth capabilities. Removed it, but I don't think I know any tablets with A10 that have Bluetooth, so that should not be an issue. And they removed the HDMI to save cost. But this results in very nice tablets for under $100 or so. So it's very nice. This particular unit got 512 MB of RAM. I like to have 1 gig of RAM already, but it will do. It's a cheaper unit. You should not expect the same as a unit that costs 30 euros more. So let's take a look. As you can see, it's running all quite smooth. Of course, no recent apps yet. Just the home screen switching is just fluent. I didn't try with any other shell or whatever, as I like the standard Android 4.0 shell with a few widgets on it in use. See, standard apps, there were not a lot of Chinese apps installed, but the ones that were installed were easy to uninstall. Just press drag to the bin and press OK and it will remove. So that's very nice. It's very easy to remove apps this way. It came already with Flash installed, Gmail installed, and the Play Store / Market installed. Gmail etc. is working fine as far I can see. Play Store is working fine. A lot of apps you can find directly, so no tweaking needed for that whatsoever. So let's take a look at the Antutu benchmark that I made with this tablet yesterday. Give it a second to load up. Okay, as you can see or not see, the total score is 2722. I will try to get a little bit focused on the other numbers so you can actually read them, but that's not possible. I will list them in the YouTube description under there. The read is 7.2, write is 7.2 of the SD card. The read speed is 15.4, so it's quite right. Nice. As you can see, the processor is running at 1008 megahertz, so 1 gigahertz, and it's not 1.2 as some of the other allwinner chips. I will try to overclock it, but I'm not ready for it yet. I did have a try, but it became unstable after 1.2 gigahertz, so I think there needs some working on that, or maybe it's not even possible on this unit, as it's a cheaper chipset. So, as told, not many apps installed. Fruit menu was standard installed, and it's working well. Let's take the new game. As you can see, multi-touch is working, and I'm failing in this game. Oops. So, let's stop that one. In a second I will be back with the video playback of the tablet, and we're back with the video playback. As you can see, I inserted a OTG to OTG cable with a little memory stick just to show how it works. The file in Explorer was standard install. Let's take a look. USB here, and we have a picture on there which does load up. Yeah, you can't see it, I think, but the colors are quite nice. It's not much off with the actually screen I have here. The resolution, yes, it is 800 times 480, so it's not brilliant, but what can you expect from such a cheap tablet? Let's get back. Yep. Let's take a look at the internal memory of the tablet. There was one movie on there, and let's play it with a standard video player. Let's start it again. It's told to be 1080p. I'm not sure, but it's running good and smooth, so no problems with that whatsoever. Sound is good too. Sound is quite hard, so that's good. Let's see. That's the way to quit it. Wrong button. Then we got a SD card, which I have my own 1080p file loaded onto. So let's try to watch that one through with a standard video player. The bird test, I can't get it working. Let's take it a try. No, look, it crashes right away. Why it's crashing, I have no idea. The file isn't corrupt, I'm quite sure of that. It just won't play on this tablet. Maybe it's something to do with the codecs or whatever. Let's take a look at the internet now. We have the browser. Let's see. Let's go to as you can see, it's loading quite well. I think that's the Allwinner chip. It's the Allwinner box chip processor. It's got a A13 processor. That it's the new A13 version of the Allwinner chip. It's the next version of the A10. It got limited Bluetooth possibilities, but it wasn't used in many tablets, so that's not a problem. I think it got no HDMI out on the board. I think it's able to play 2160p, but yeah, you don't have anything on it as it just got an 800 times 400 resolution screen. So let's see if we can watch a movie on here. If the Flash player is up to date. Let's see. Yes, it's loading video. Was going too fast. Let's see. Where are we? Yes, there it is. I think that's my crappy internet connection. Give it a second or two to load in. Great, there it is. As you can see, it runs quite smooth. Yes, that's my crappy internet connection again. Let's see if we can take a look at this video right here. Give it a second to load up. It's my crappy connection again. Let's see. Great. Okay. Video is loading. As you can see, it's running good and so the flash is working properly. The front end camera is quite good as well. I can try to show it without showing my hand anymore to you if you don't want to see that. It's quite dark in here to show the screen better, but I think it's quite good and it's not as bad as some of the cameras have on the other budget tablets that are out there. Yeah, I think that was it for now to tell about this tablet. I hope you enjoyed this small video review. If you got any other questions, please ask them in the comments and have a nice day.